Hello everyone, welcome to Kaleidoscope. I am Ivana, your favorite craftsmith. Let's begin our journey together. Getting bored and not able to figure out what to do? Or how to utilize your time productively with a touch of entertainment? Imagine holding a simple sheet of paper, and with just a few folds, transforming it into a crane, a flower, or even something entirely your own. Origami isn't just about creating art, it's about shaping your mind, your patience, and your ability to turn simplicity into beauty. Each fold you make is a step towards mastering a skill that teaches focus, precision, and creativity. Don't let laziness hold you back. The joy of seeing something you created with your own hands is worth every moment of effort. Start folding today, and you'll discover that you're not just learning origami, you're unlocking a new part of yourself. Origami, the Japanese art of paper folding, is a skill that can be both fun and relaxing. Learning origami involves developing your ability to follow precise steps and techniques. Below is a detailed process to help you learn origami effectively. Step 1. Understand the basics. Terminology. Learn basic origami terms such as valley fold, mountain fold, crease, squash fold, and reverse fold. Materials. Start with square sheets of origami paper. Ensure the paper is thin and crisp for easier folding. Practice creasing. Proper creasing is crucial in origami. Focus on making sharp and precise folds. Step 2. Start with simple models. Beginner-friendly designs. Start with simple models such as the crane, boat, or tulip. These will help you understand basic folding techniques. Follow instructions closely, whether using books, videos, or online tutorials. Carefully follow step-by-step instructions. Step 3. Practice consistently. Daily practice. Dedicate at least 10 to 15 minutes daily to practice. Consistency will improve your folding accuracy and speed. Repetition. Repeating models helps reinforce techniques and muscle memory. 4. Learn from multiple sources. Books and online tutorials. Use a combination of books and YouTube videos. Some creators offer different angles or explanations that might be easier to understand. Origami communities. Join online forums or local origami clubs where you can share your work, get feedback, and learn from others. Step 5. Advance gradually. Intermediate models. Once you're comfortable with basic models, gradually move to intermediate ones like the frog or butterfly. Experiment with different papers. As you progress, try using different types of paper, such as foil or textured paper, to see how they affect your models. Step 6. Understand the principles. Mathematical concepts. Explore the mathematical principles behind origami. This can deepen your understanding and improve your folding techniques. Origami bases. Learn about common origami bases, for example, bird base, fish base, as they form the foundation for many complex designs. Step 7. Explore complex models. Advanced origami. As you become more skilled, challenge yourself with complex models that require intricate folds. Patience and precision. Complex models require patience and precision, so take your time with each fold. Step 8. Create your own designs. Experimentation. Start creating your own designs by combining techniques you've learned. Origami software. You can use software like Origami to design and diagram your models. Step 9. Teach others. Share your knowledge. Teaching others is a great way to solidify your skills. You can create tutorials, write a blog, or conduct workshops. Step 10. Stay inspired. Origami exhibitions. Attend origami exhibitions or explore the works of renowned origamists to stay inspired. Keep innovating, keep experimenting and innovating with new ideas to push the boundaries of what you can create. Practicing origami offers a range of benefits that go beyond simply creating beautiful paper figures. Here are 5 key benefits of practicing origami. 1. Enhances concentration and focus. Origami requires careful attention to detail and precision. By following specific steps and focusing on each fold, you develop greater concentration and the ability to stay focused on tasks for longer periods. 2. Improves hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. The intricate folds and movements in origami help improve hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. This can be particularly beneficial for children, as well as adults recovering from hand injuries or those looking to keep their hands nimble. 3. Promotes relaxation and reduces stress. The repetitive and mindful process of folding paper can have a calming effect, similar to meditation. Practicing origami helps reduce stress, anxiety, and promotes a sense of relaxation and inner peace. 4. Boosts creativity and problem-solving skills. Origami encourages creativity by challenging you to think in 3 dimensions. As you explore different designs and patterns, you also develop problem-solving skills by figuring out how to transform a flat piece of paper into a complex structure. 5. Cultivates patience and perseverance. Origami can be challenging, especially as you progress to more complex models. It teaches patience and perseverance, as you learn to take your time, practice repeatedly, and gradually improve your skills. Incorporating origami into your routine can be a rewarding way to enhance both your mental and physical well-being, while also providing a creative and satisfying outlet for expression. If you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe for daily dose.